Hi, my name is Gamma. I live in Weston, Florida, and I came to New Life about 4 years ago. I was just feeling a little bit lack of energy, kind of a little bit of mood, sort of variability there, and I had read that the testosterone the HCG treatments were good for that, so that's why I came. So I have a pretty good health, but the issue for me was to maintain the good health and to perhaps even improve my level of sort of happiness. I always work out, but I was kind of plateauing and not really feeling like motivated anymore to kind of like put myself out there and be more active. And I think the program has been terrific in increasing my energy level, sort of my ability to focus and stay motivated. And I have seen clear results, like with weight loss, increase in muscle mass, and also ability to focus and to stay sort of like on track. And I think those are the perks that I find most attractive of the program. Yeah, that's I am laughing because I think it's like a funny question because a lot of people have actually complimented me saying like, you look younger, you look like you have so much energy, and some people even have asked me if I had like plastic surgery done or something like that, and I said no way. I just feel good about myself, and I'm also more active and working out more, so that's, but I've had very positive comments in general. So my experience with New Life has been superb. I think that the staff is extremely professional. The facilities are state of the art in a very nice location in downtown Miami. There's valet parking. It's just really sort of like a first class or world class clinic. And I've been also impressed with the level of like knowledge, and all the latest technologies are being sort of like used in the clinic, and they're always changing. There's always like something new that they're trying to work with, and I don't feel like it's pushed on me either. It's just like there are more options available. Yeah, so as I said before, one of the reasons why I came to the clinic was because I was having some mood swing issues and feeling like low energy, and I had been actually prescribed antidepressants, which I take, I was taking, I took for like almost like 5 years before I started the program. And as soon as I started the program and my testosterone levels sort of kicked back to kind of normal, I just really had a conversation with the with the New Life clinic doctor, and we stopped the antidepressants, with the consent of my other clinician, and I didn't really need them. So it was an amazing experience. The antidepressants were also making me gain weight, and it's just like a chemical that I was putting into my body that I didn't really want, and I didn't really need it. So that's a sort of like a great success that I can attest to. That I think antidepressants are being overprescribed to a lot of people, and maybe in my case it was just I was having like a low testosterone level, which is part of sort of aging, and I was being sort of medicalized as being depressed when I was just suffering from typical symptoms of low testosterone. In the science of sort of like aging and nutrition and also sort of like hormone replacement, which is what we address here at New Life. It's a very personal decision, and I respect everybody's sort of journey. There's a lot of information out there that you have to kind of like evaluate, and each person is different. So what I can appreciate about the clinic is that there's a real comprehensive sort of like examination of all your laboratory works, of like what are your goals, like what are your symptoms if you're having some. So I don't think that there's like a magic sort of like formula, but that there are many alternatives for different sets of circumstances, and I think that's the way to go, because I think in other perhaps not so comprehensive and dedicated clinics, like they would give you just like a one remedy, but this is a tailored experience for each patient, and I think that's the great value of it.